doing? It's Julia, and I am back with another upcycled treasure haul. This is a series I'm doing this year where I go into a thrift store and I find a few items and show you those items, and then come back a few days later and show you what I've been able to create out of the items. And this time I picked up 4 or 5 different things. First of all, I found a belt. And this is like a cotton webbing belt, so I will be able to sew through it. The belts at my thrift store are $1 each. So this was $1. I found this fabric. It's actually a valance, and I picked it up. I was attracted to it because of the colors, bright, fun colors. I love circles. And another thing, it's a nice weight, and also I don't think it's ever been used. It looks brand new. And this was $2.50. So I picked that up. And then I found these, they're alphabet charms. This is a making memories. So this is a memories keeper one. These are smaller little charms, and I think it's complete. But it does have all the letters in them. And this is the same thing, only much larger charms. So I don't know if I'll be using both sizes or just one in here. This container was 75 cents, and this one with the larger charms was $1.50. So I thought that those are going to be fun to use in this project, but maybe, and also in just future projects. And then I found this little skirt, and I loved the motifs on it. It has these circle, almost like a flower appliques. And so I know I'm going to be able to do some creating with that. And this skirt was $6.99. I thought it was a little steep, but I believe it has 14 of the little flowers on them. And also it has just a nice cotton fabric to it. So I am going to see what I can come up with. You make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss what I actually get creative with here. And I will also link the playlist on this whole series down below and up on the iCard, so you can check that out. Thanks so much. I hope you have a great day and have a chance to create. Bye for now.